This is again a scene from the Asphalt Jungle. Sterling Hayden is in a neighborhood restaurant. Out in front it says home cooking. Back in 1950, almost all local restaurants advertised home cooking. But I want to show you this menu here from 1950. It says hot pork sandwich, 50 cents. Hot beef sandwich, 50 cents. Fresh ham, 65 cents. Roast beef, 65 cents. So you got 15 cents extra for roast beef and ham. Western omelet. I love a Western omelet. 50 cents. Ham omelet, 50 cents. Typical restaurant menu in a local neighborhood, 1950.